Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the greetings. Greetings means कैसे आप दूसरे अदर्स पर्सन को गुड मॉर्निंग, हाय, हेलो, गुड इवनिंग, गुड आफ्टरनून करते हैं, उसी को हम ग्रीटिंग्स बोलते हैं. There are many ways to greet a person. The greeting and reply to a greeting at work is different from the greeting and reply given to a friend. जब आप कहीं पे काम करते हैं तो वहाँ पे ग्रीटिंग करने का तरीका और उनसे जो रिप्लाई मिलता है उसका जो मेथड है वो डिफरेंट है. जब आप किसी अपने फ्रेंड को मिलते हैं या अपने पेरेंट्स को मिलते हैं, उनकी तरफ से जो रिप्लाई आता है वो आपका अलग मेथड है. सिमिलरली देयर आर मैनी वेज टू से गुड बाय व्हेन यू डिपार्ट. ऐसे ही जब हम किसी को डिपार्ट करते हैं, बाय बोलते हैं, तो उसका भी डिफरेंट वेज हैं. The greetings change depending upon who we are talking to and even according to the time of the day. Greetings help us start a conversation nicely. Types of greetings: formal, informal. Formal, good morning. Informal, hey, what's up? Now introduce yourself and others. When you are meeting someone for the first time, or if other wants to know about you, you need to introduce yourself. You can do this by telling your name and some general information like about your hometown, your job or subjects as a student, your interest, etc. When introducing yourself, remember to look at the other person and smile. Talking about yourself: when you meet someone for the first time, they may want to know more about you. You will need to introduce yourself by telling them about yourself. You usually start by telling your name, then you can talk about other things such as what you do, your age, where you live, or even about the things or activities that you like or dislike. For all these sentences, you will use nouns and verbs. A noun is naming word that is used for person, place or thing or idea. Some examples of noun are Ali, Delhi, football and music. A verb is doing word that tells us what the noun does. Some examples of verbs are play, lie, eat and write. Note that some verbs with an ing ending can also act as nouns. For example, swimming, running, walking. These are the example of this type of nouns. We can talk about likes and dislike using noun as well as verbs with and with ing. For example, cycling and swimming. Filling forms. Sometimes instead of talking, you will have to write about yourself in a form. A form is typed or printed page with blank spaces or for information. Each form is different, so you should read it properly before filling. Write neatly, take care to use the correct spelling. This is the method how to fill the form online or offline. Name, date of birth, address, pin and signature. Here you enter your name. Sometimes you may need to write the first name or in capital letters and write name and middle name. Date of birth: this is the date on which you are born. It is usually written as the day, followed by the month, followed by the year in numerals. Address: this is a postal address. Pin code: this is a group of numbers used by the post office to identify a region. It is an important part of address. Signature: this is your name, initially written by hand. Now, assignment: check your progress. These are the assignment. Same. Continue. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please do all assignment in your notebook. I will check your copy. Okay, till then, bye. Have a nice day.